Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really cool to show you. The Speedometer Calibration device for the Land Rover Defender. Now, this little gadget is a lifesaver whenever your speedometer isn't showing the correct speed. And let's be honest, that usually happens when you're running oversized wheels and tires, or even because of the GPS speed percentage error. Whatever the reason, this calibrator fixes it instantly. So, let's get started. The device installs right behind the speedometer, directly into the main system connector. To reach it, you'll need to remove the covers around the speedometer on the dashboard. Don't worry, all you need is a screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Once you pull the speedometer out, you'll see this connector right here. That's where we plug in our calibrator. The connector is original, so there's no way to plug it in the wrong way. Along with that, we also connect a blind plug. This one actually turns the device off. And the cool thing is, you can route this cable somewhere convenient, so anytime you want to fully disable the device, you can do it without disassembling the dashboard again. After connecting it to the speedometer, we plug the second connector into this cable right here. And that's it. Then, just reinstall the dashboard covers back in place. Now let's move on to calibration. The device comes with its own mobile app where you can select and change modes. Each mode sets the percentage of correction for your speed display. Mode 1, increase speed by 5%. Mode 2, increase speed by 10%. Mode 3, increase speed by 15%. Mode 4, increase speed by 20%. Mode 5, device off. Everything back to stock. And that's all there is to it, guys. Super simple, super effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel.